Welcome back to Miller's Off-Road. It's a beautiful day here in Arkansas. Check out where we just came out of. Yeah, man, Cersei's got a Whataburger now. So, got us some picante sauce. Anyways, we're gonna have a really good time today. We're headed to Brock Creek. It's been a while since we've been to Brock, hasn't it, Josh?
Yes, sir.
Just me and Josh on this trip. Matt stayed home. I don't understand it. But he is coming with us here in a few weeks. So we'll have some videos with Matt and the CanAm Outlander 1000 soon. But where we got to go now, Josh?
I'm going to head over to 7 Brew.
7 Brew. What are you getting today? Cinnamon roll for Matthew?
Might be. Something hot.
Ooh, something hot.
It's not exactly warm outside.
Stay tuned. We'll see what he gets. Okay, so I got the Sunrise energy drink, which I need. Man, I'm tired already. We woke up super early this morning. What'd you get, Josh?
Cinnamon roll.
You went with the cinnamon roll? Hot?
Roll hot.
Nice. All right. Folks, if you've never been to a Whataburger, they are awesome. Great breakfast, great burgers. You know what? Let me just show you what we got. We just got a little bit of, we don't have these like extremely close to where we live, so sausage burrito. We got one of those. We're gonna try that out. I've never tried their burritos. A bacon burrito. We got one of those. Check out these hash browns. I love their hash browns. They're so good. They're like weird shaped. Kind of cool. They taste really good. And then just to try it, we also got a bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. So yeah, time to dig in. Man, that thing is stuffed with bacon, ain't it, Josh?
Yes, sir.
Is it pretty good?
Yeah, it's good.
Nice. Check out this bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. Man, good stuff. Now, one thing you've got to realize about Brock Creek, the closest town of any significance is this town, Morrilton, and they've only got basically one decent hotel. So typically, if we're gonna spend the night and stay at Brock Creek, we're gonna either stay in like Conway or Russellville. A little bit more to do in those two areas, so we typically we'll stay in Russellville. But Brock Creek's kind of off the hidden path, or off the beaten path, so to speak, from everything else. But because of that, there's a lot less traffic there. There's not that many people that go there. Some people don't even know about it. But we'll come down here like today. We're just going for a day trip, and anyways, let's show you this Love's right here. So there's a Love's travel stop, and Josh is a trucker, so he knows all about these Love's travel stops. But a lot of times, this is the exit we'll take, exit 107. This will take you up to Jerusalem, Arkansas, Brock Creek area. But on the way back through, we'll stop, and for 12 bucks, you can get you a shower, a truck stop shower, at that Love's truck stop. So there's a little tip for you. If you just want to come to Brock Creek for the day, you're not spending the night, but you don't want to drive all the way home all nasty and dirty, get you a shower at the Love's truck stop. It works out really well.
So we just met Bullet and Jacques from the Facebook group, Arkansas OHV. Really nice people. I've been talking to them for a while online. But they said that they rode yesterday and the creeks are crazy high. So, I don't know. I really wanted to go with them, but I've already got this other route planned. I mean, we're freeballing a little bit, but I got a couple things that I want to check out today. So, you ready?
What do you think about that camera angle?
I think it'll be fine. We'll just
Okay.
do it how it
Give it a
goes.
try.
You know? Yeah.
All right.
All right. You want to say welcome to Miller's Off-Road?
Oh, hold on. Oh, he's already got a thing planned out. I appreciate it though. Have a good one, man.
Was he wanting us to ride with him?
Oh yeah, they were wondering if we wanted someone to ride with.
Oh, no, we're good.
Yeah, I told him he already got
Yeah.
something planned out. It'd be just being nice.
Yeah, that's cool, man. I like that. Appreciate the
I
offer.
got no problem with that.
No, me neither.
So, all right, brother.
We're gonna go check it out a little bit. I have a bad feeling we're gonna have some deep water situations. We're gonna have to be careful, man.
I'm all right with that.
You know, it's crazy though. Here's the thing: we didn't even get that much rain, you know, last night.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
just the fact that sport mode off. Oh, this is a new machine for me, so this is gonna be different experience. Completely different for me. You know what I mean?
Yep. CanAm first ride.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get used to the wheelbase and all that stuff. Yeah, I would have liked to have rode with Bullet and Jacques, but I got some other stuff that I'm wanting to do today.
Yep.
We'll hit them. We'll hit them the next time, man. Good people.
Yes, sir.
Holy crap! It is deep. Dang. Hey, turn around real quick. We'll go over here.
Yep.
I was really wanting to kind of go around this lake a little bit.
Yep.
Ooh, this looks deep right here.
Like it.
Sure does. Looks very deep. Oh man, those creeks are gonna be deep, dude. Let's see. Yeah, right through here. Man, it's crazy how much more smooth this rig is. Like the ride quality, you know?
Yep.
Yeah, see, we could take that trail up, but I was kind of wanting to go around this for just a minute, just to kind of check
Yep.
it out and look at the lake level a little bit.
Yep.
Man, I'll tell you what, this machine just absorbs those bumps so much better. It's crazy.
Yes, sir.
Ride quality is phenomenal.
You see what you've been missing.
I do actually, yes. Yeah, glad to be on a canned ham. Got some big rocks here, man.
Think we're already lose.
Huh? Yeah, that mount's not going to work for you like that, dude.
No.
Oh, boy. That seems deep.
I mean, you can see the other side. I don't think it's that bad. Yeah. I already got to tighten this thing. This ain't gonna work. We might
Hey, just let it flop, man. You know what I'm saying?
Well.
Can you do that?
It's swing back and forth is what it's
Oh.
doing. It's not flopping up and down. That got fixed.
Yeah.
It's this screw. It's not gonna stay tight.
It's not going to stay tight, is it?
I don't think so.
Do we need to stop and look at it?
I mean, I might have to tighten it or just
Let me
hold my
see what's
phone in my-
moving. What's
just hold-
moving?
put-
Show me what's. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Well, you
I
got
just have
that
to hold the
screwdriver
phone in
from
my
Dad.
pocket. Yeah, I just have to hold the
Yeah.
phone in my pocket.
Okay. That's a shame.
Yep.
Yeah. That stinks, dude. All right, good.
Yep.
Let's go look around up here a little bit. See what we
Okay.
can find.
Trailblazing.
Yeah, just doing a little trailblazing.
Trailblazing 2024.
That's crazy that he said that the creeks are so deep already.
That is, man.
That's wild.
That's gonna be good for waterfalls, though.
Oh yeah, yeah. If we can manage to see a few of these that I got marked out, dude, you're gonna love
Yep.
it.
Yep.
I want to say, yeah, right here. Hopefully this goes where I think it's going to go. Doesn't just stop. Yeah, it's just like a four-wheeler trail through the woods, man.
Yep. I like it.
Yeah. They've been playing around through here. I don't know that it's actually going to go anywhere.
Yeah.
We really need to go back that other to the right.
Yeah.
I don't think this is taking us anywhere.
I don't think so either.
Not anywhere good.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Yep.
Yeah, we're gonna have to turn around.
Okay.
Or, well, right through here maybe. Yeah, right through here, Josh. Here we go.
Here's a
Yeah.
trail.
Yeah, we're back on track. Yeah, go ahead. You can hit that. You know, I swear we didn't get over an inch or two of rain tops. But when you're up in the mountains, you know, it's just different.
Yep.
Yeah, this is good. Yeah, keep following it. See where it takes us.
There's a mini pond.
Oh yeah.
It looks like a creek crossing.
Oh yeah, here we go. Holy crap. He said the creeks are deep.
Yeah, that's steep too.
Oh yeah, I ain't getting down in that. There ain't no
No.
way. Holy
Nope.
crap, dude. Look at this action.
Yep.
Man, them creeks are raging. He wasn't joking, was he?
No, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is. I'm not crossing that right there. That's deep as sin.
Yep.
Oh, don't come down here. Don't come down here. This is nasty down here.
Get down here and look at this.
Yeah. Yeah, pretty cool.
Hey, also, I think your four-wheel drive was on.
Yeah, I know. I don't know why that was. I turned it off.
Okay. That's not deep right there.
You want a stick real quick?
Yeah, might as well.
Let's find a stick.
Oh. 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 That's muddy. It's just...
Oh my gosh.
It's just... You like that?
I did. I thought it was funny. Now, the problem is finding a stick deep enough.
Here we go.
You find something? Yeah, I just can't tell, man.
I can kind of see...
Yeah,
I
I don't
get
think
out of this thorns.
over here is way better, Josh. Yeah, come around here, man. See, like, hey, yeah, step down there. There you go. I don't think we're going to be able to tell.
That's not deep.
Yeah.
Oh, right there. But the problem is you can't get to about the middle.
Yeah.
That's not too bad, but
yeah. It don't look good.
Probably better off not taking the chance. I don't know.
Yeah. Hey, I wonder if
you
we
had to
can...
get.
Hey, look right there. Hey, I wonder if we can get around
Yep.
right there. Let's go see if we can get around right there.
Yep.
Maybe we might have to just cut her a little bit. Because that don't look too bad right there.
No. Ooh.
What was that?
Oh, the driver's popping into gear.
Oh, jeez. I heard that.
That wasn't.
That sounds
wasn't
good, did it?
Wow.
Let's see if we can cut across right up here.
I forgot to reset my thing.
When in doubt, figure it out. Now, folks, I know what you're thinking. This is a brand new machine, and I'm just like out here trailblazing with it, but you got to understand what we're about to go through. Oh yeah, right here's the trail, Josh. Holy crap. Here we go, man. We're good. Man, that is raging. I guess the only problem I've got with this, Josh, is the fact that I can't see right there in the center where it's the most swift. I can't really tell. This looks okay, but I just can't tell. Boy, if I had a stick, you know what I mean?
Yep. Take it easy and.
Yeah, see if I can see. I'm still on the rock. Oh, we're good, dude. Come on across. No problems. You can see the rock all the way across. No problem. Where are we at here? Let's see where this goes, huh?
Yep.
Why not? Yeah, I got some stuff. I want to go to. Stuff I want to go see. Man, that creek is looking nice, isn't it? Woo, that's slick right there, Josh.
Thank you.
Did that feel slick to you? Yeah, right there. That's slick, ain't it?
Yeah. Hey, I need you to look at your camera. It's not
Okay.
doing the beeping on and off.
Yeah, let's check it out.
Okay.
All right, we're good to go. Okay, let's see if we can find our way out of here real quick. Almost looks like a crossing. It does. It's just looking kind of like a crossing right back there, doesn't it? Yeah, this will give me a second to catch up here, Josh. Yeah, we're gonna go up here and go right. Oh yeah, dude, I got some good stuff we're fixing to do.
Like it.
Wow, this looks interesting. Why
Yes,
not take
it
it?
does.
Why not take
I like
it, my
it.
friend? All right,
Looks like
hey,
fun.
I'll follow you up this monster, unless you want me to go. I don't care.
Oh, you go.
I like,
I'll-
okay, I like recording.
Gonna-
I'm gonna go low gear.
I'm recording you.
Okay, cool, man. I'm going low gear up this sucker. Nice little hill climb. Hitting those new skids, breaking them in all proper like. Back there?
Yep, right behind you.
Nice. Sorry, I got my noise canceling in. And
You're good.
I can't hear the greatest with that in.
I just wasn't saying anything. I was just
Okay, cool.
quiet.
Oh yeah, here's Gravel Road. Here we go. Alright, so we're gonna get on this, we're gonna go north a little bit. We're gonna get on a cool trail here. This'll take us just a minute to get there, Josh.
Turn off my recording.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn mine off.
It's Bravo Road.
I mean, we'll go ahead and take a poll. Who wants to see us ride this? Would you rather see us ride this, or would you rather see us ride trails? I mean, I can record both. We can record this action. We'll just pop a little poll up in this video. You guys like to see videos of gravel road riding? Not really my thing. I think there's a trail right here. Not 100%, but maybe not. I might be wrong. Let's go check. I'm pretty sure there's one right across the creek here. Could have swore there was. Oh man, that's slick. Holy crap. Yeah, there's trail here, but
Okay.
I don't know that we're crossing that. Holy crap, man. We ain't crossing that action. Look what you got on the other side, Josh.
Yeah, you can't get across.
Nope. That's okay. We'll go on up. No sense in risking it. That's not a big deal. As much as I'd love to. And honestly, I think we could over there, but I ain't too worried about it.
Yeah.
A little smoother over here.
Yeah.
Oh.
X marks the spot.
Does that look like a trail across there, man? Oh, this ain't deep at all. This ain't deep at all right here. Where'd the trail go, Josh?
It disappeared.
It sure did.
I don't guess this is a trail.
Oh, it's right over there. It's right over there. I see it. We gotta go back, or right here, right here. I could probably go back right here. Yeah,
I can cross. You can cross right here. No, he doesn't have to go over.
Sure.
Right?
Yeah, that's fine. Go ahead. I can cross right here too.
Yeah.
That's no problem. You know, people get off the trail like us, and they confuse everybody else. Here we go, maybe. Well, and another problem is the creeks are so dang full that it's kind of, oh man, I know where we're at now. Yep. Man, these creeks are full. That is for sure. Crazy how full they are. I tell you, I'm already kind of getting used to this electronic throttle.
Nice.
Oh,
how about
boy.
How about that one brake? Only one brake lever.
It's nice.
Yeah. It's shallow right there on the right side.
Trail keeps going over here, but yeah. I would. Okay, let me back up.
Oh, he's squeaking. Not good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yep.
It's not terrible, but it's just
That's
gonna
something
get worse,
that we
I
should
think.
get. We should get in the shop and fix that before. You know what I'm saying? Before we ride the next time.
It's just hard to get time to do it.
I know, and that's going to be a project right there.
Yep.
I honestly don't remember traversing this specific trail.
Yeah.
Man, I tell you what, you take these trails in the summertime and they're gonna flat out disappear on you, you know what I mean?
Yep.
I think we made it to a forest road of some sort.
Yeah.
This is one of those swallow you holes, isn't it? Am I right about that?
I
Could've-
think you're
It
probably
could have
right.
been. It just as well could have been.
I mean, it had an orange marker on one of the trees.
Yeah.
Side-by-side trail.
Kind of looks like somebody's been riding through there. Kind of funny.
Yep. Yep.
There ain't no telling what all trails are over there. We're going the right direction though, so I really don't care. Let's stay on
Yep.
this.
Another orange marker to the left.
I seen that. Oh, I remember where we're at now. Ooh, yeah. I know where we're at now. You remember this, don't you? Dude, we crossed this when it was way deeper. Remember we met up with that guy that was on that red Honda and he showed us where to cross? You remember that?
Yep.
Yeah, this
Yep.
is where it's at.
Isn't that when we were riding where all them trees were down?
Yup.
The flood came through and like.
Yup. Actually, it was a
Okay.
tornado. I think it was a tornado.
Was
Yeah.
it?
I don't think this trail goes on right here. I think we might end up backtracking just a little bit, but let's go see. If I'm
All right.
recalling correctly, the trail ends right up here. I hope I'm
Yeah.
wrong. Looks like I'm probably wrong. Oh,
Looks like a trail sign to me.
going the wrong way, really.
23 to the left, 42 straight up.
We can, oh,
Motorcycle trail.
is this motorcycle trail right here?
No, this is a different one. This is the 23.
Okay. I wonder what this goes to.
Oh, there's a trail to the right.
I know it.
Motorcycle
That's
trail.
probably what we're gonna take. Yeah, we're gonna come back and take that. Oh,
Okay.
right there. This is cool right here. Pretty cool area.
Oh.
All right, folks, we're back over here on the trail that we were on. I'm trying to navigate us towards some really good stuff that I've never
Yeah.
showed on the channel before. So,
There's-
really, really good stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm hoping. Yeah, here we go. Here's crossing coming up. It says it's coming up. I'm not seeing it. Woo! Big hole, big hole. I keep going too fast to these suckers.
Yes, sir. That CanAm, he just feels like you're just...
Yeah, you just float.
Oh.
Yeah. And it does. It rides like a Cadillac. That ain't no lie. I'd like to put some of those Fox shocks on, man.
Yes, sir.
That would be cool.
My truck's got Fox shocks.
Yeah, I'd like. They make the Fox shocks and the Elkas rigs. Ooh, this looks like it could be muddy. Not too bad. I'm still getting used to the four-wheel drive button on this. It's exactly backwards to what my Cali was. My Kawasaki, you push down to go two-wheel drive, up to go four-wheel drive. Totally backwards.
What do you think about that single lever brake action?
Oh man, I'm loving it. You know, it's very convenient.
It's the only way to go.
Yeah, it slows you down in a hurry.
Yeah.
I have found myself grabbing, like reaching for the right one though a couple times.
All right.
Yeah, it's looking beautiful up in here, man.
Yes, it is.
Check it out. Some elevation. Oh, looks like a little waterfall right up here.
Check out that rock to the left.
I know it.
Hanging
Yeah. We're fixing to drive right past it.
Cool, man.
A little waterfall action going on.
Oh, nice. That's
Cool, huh?
I dig it.
Yeah, we've been up here several times. One of the first times we ever come to Brock, we came on this trail right here.
Yes, sir.
Sure did. Yeah, we got some elevation going on now, that's for sure.
Yeah. Yes, sir. I dig it.
Man, that's deep down in there. You know, to get good waterfalls, you gotta have that elevation.
Yeah.
That is why we are here. In this specific area, I guess I should say. Yeah, we got a good hill climb here, huh?
I'm digging it.
Oh yeah. Woo! Ledge. Straight up stuff here.
I get it.
Alright, here we go. Stay on trail. I guess somebody went off the trail. Why would you go up there? You go normal mode for this stuff, Josh? You go on normal mode for this stuff?
Oh yeah, I've been on normal mode. Yeah, you could probably do sport on this, but
I'm sure you
works.
could.
Normal works just fine.
Middle of the woods. You can see the elevation. Let's hammer down, Josh. Sometimes you got to do a little hiking to see some cool stuff. Man, that's nice. The real action is down here, folks. Let's see if we can't cross this. These rocks are typically really slick. Josh's boots are more waterproof than mine. What do you see, bro? What do you see?
That would really hurt.
That would really hurt? You think it would?
Well, I think he'd be dead.
It might sting a little bit, wouldn't it? Wow. Man, this is cool. Okay, here we go. Harponitis, he cannot help himself every time. Every time. Wow. Dude, you broke those rocks, man.
I love it.
What do you think, Josh? Round two? Yikes. Oh, man. Some good elevation, that's for sure. That's a pretty waterfall. We are exhausted, aren't we, Josh?
Yes, sir.
Whew, that was a hike. You know, we're really close to that waterfall from the trail. But man, it's straight down and straight back up. I need to get in better shape. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. Hey, listen, you want to know where that waterfall's at? You can leave me a comment below, but you'll have to join the members area to find out, because we're releasing all that data, including this route. So if you want this route data, you want that waterfall and all the other locations, you'll have to join our members area. Our members area, we're updating videos weekly on there. We appreciate the members that we already have, but we're out here in the Ozarks. We're gonna keep riding it with Josh. Yes, we're ready to rock and roll. Next episode, more waterfalls. You're gonna love it.